Looks like we got another down day, a lot worse than yesterday. This was my resistance line that I put up. This is on the daily chart, and ooh, we went right through that piece. Anyway, nothing to worry about. Again, let's look back at the monthly. And remember that line I drew. If you looked at the video I made yesterday, you'll see that I did a channel on the monthly chart, which this is it. And see, we're nowhere near the bottom yet. Again, what you're going to see here is, could it possibly go down and hit this resistance point, which is going to be in the 80s, maybe up towards 90 in this area? Who knows? Who knows? We're bleeding here and people are panicking and freaking out. And this is what we see. We see this all the time. Every time there's a price correction or some profit takers, people start panicking and selling, and it's the end of the world, and oh no, and a bunch of bag holders sitting there crying, and they won't ride through it. They'll end up taking their loss and take their hit and then cry like little girls and then get back in when it's high again, and then it'll be a price correction and profit takers. And the bag holders never seem to understand that they just keep losing. So don't be a bag holder, be a winner. Just hang on to it. Look at the Bitcoin as something in the future, not that you're going to get paid today. Looking at another chart here, it's a little more detailed. You can see here the bottom portion of the Bollinger Band, the top portion, we're well below the bottom part. MACD down here is showing us it looks like it's going to continue on. A little sell-off here. Again, we don't need to be worried about this. This is just Bitcoin. Those who have been in this Bitcoin space for years understand this. This is just the nature of the beast. So just hang on tight. Quit worrying about it. We see that the reason, again, the Fed holding off on lowering the interest rates, the dollar getting stronger, just a lot of stuff happening within that space there, and looks like we're still on the way down. It's still moving down. Either way, like I said, don't be surprised if we're down here in the high 80s and the low 90s. Still got a ways to go, again, to hit that channel that we set up yesterday. If you want to see that, you can see the video. I'm going to put it right here. The link's right up here, and check it out. And I went through it and then how we set that up. So you can set that on your own chart so you won't be panicking and freaking out when the price drops. Either way, what it looks like to me is once this starts to settle, time to buy. Stack up those coins, man. All right, we'll catch you on the next one.